Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: mobile data active and a proper USB data cable. Once done, plug the phone into the PC and watch for the phone's USB prompt. Make sure the cable is data capable rather than charge only, because otherwise the computer won't see network interfaces. If prompted, choose the USB connection type that allows data transfer rather than file transfer only. You're initiating a direct link. This first step sets up the physical and permission foundation for tethering to work reliably. Now you enable USB tethering on the phone. Go to Hotspot and Tethering and switch on USB tethering. Once activated, make sure the PC recognizes a new network adapter. On Windows, this shows in Network Connections, and on Mac it appears under Network Preferences. If the adapter fails to appear, install or update the phone's USB drivers on the computer, because drivers translate packets between devices. You want a clean IP assignment, so confirm the PC obtains an IP address automatically via DHCP. Finish by testing internet access. Open a web page and check load times to confirm routing. If it doesn't work, first toggle USB tethering off and back on, unplug and replug the cable, then restart the phone and PC in that order. Make sure the phone's APN settings match your carrier if web access is blocked. Changing APN can resolve authentication issues. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different USB cable or port and reinstall drivers. This frequently fixes recognition and connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.